Hello. To make perfect poached eggs, you do not need any complicated equipment or techniques, just a few steps. The first one is you'll need a strainer. Break the eggs onto a strainer to drip off that runny, light egg white so that you form a distinct shape when you cook this. The second thing, you will need boiling water, but it shouldn't be bubbling like this. Slow down the heat and just let the water simmer gently so that it doesn't mess up the shape of your egg, and then lower the egg gently onto the water. Make sure the water is deep enough for the egg to submerge. Let it cook undisturbed and let it swim in there like a stingray until it is done to your liking. For 3 minutes, you would get a runny egg. For 4 minutes, it would be holding together a lot more. So let it cook, and then you'll see that the egg whites have formed a nice distinct shape and it's holding together, it's firm. Take it off the water and do the same with another egg. You could also use a wider pot and cook several at a go, and then just drain them off like so. Place them on a paper towel to drop off the excess water, and your eggs are ready to serve. These come out looking so perfect. You could drop a few pinches of salt into the water if you like, and then just go ahead and serve this on toast or whichever way you like your poached eggs. It's a very quick recipe to implement, and I hope you love this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.